Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can draw on your outfits in Heartopia. So basically, you will need to be a minimum of level 14, unfortunately, to be able to do this. Ugh, I'm lagging so much. And you are going to go to Kaching. You'll need to buy the drawing board. You just need one, you don't need a lot. So here, general store. Buy the drawing board. It's only 2,000 coins, okay? And then you're going to go back to your house. Thankfully, my house is quite near today. Place it wherever you want in your house. And basically, go to your canvas, and to start drawing, select the paintbrush. Select whichever one you want. There's outfits, canvases, and even furniture here. So let's try shoes. You can even name it. I'm going to name it strawberry, for instance. Start painting. And basically, here's where you can draw. Here's where you can just color it in by filling it. You can add shapes here if you wanted to. Like that, for instance. Okay, hold on. Let me put it like this. So it's like the strawberry shoes. Oh, you can also make it so you don't have to draw on both of it. I think it only works for shirts though. I'll show it to you guys after this. There's also these stickers. You can zoom in, you can zoom out. If you want more colors, just press on this one and select the color you want. So for instance, you need brown or something else, you are able to do that by pressing this eraser tool. Zoom in, zoom out. I don't really know the function of this. Here you can kind of see what your shoes looks like. So you'll know everything. And I'm just going to undo everything. But basically, here, where's the one that I have? Modify drawing. Okay, like this one. If you press on this button, it's able to duplicate what you're doing on the other side. So you don't have to draw twice, as you can see. I don't know what I'm creating here. For instance, like this. And it looks like this. Okay, this is just random. I'm actually not going to do this, but you get the point. All right, this is what my sweatshirt ended up looking like. I'll put in the TikTok in the description box of the pattern that I was following. So super cute. Again, if you're not satisfied, make sure you do some changes now, because you only have 5 tickets, unfortunately. But I think, hold on, where do I go? Do I go to the crafting bench? Let's try. Oh, there's this button. You're going to click on it, and you're going to click the one you made, start sewing, select the artwork, and press confirm again. You don't have, actually you don't have 5 tickets. You can purchase more. Oh, it is very expensive. I'm just going to purchase one for now. And I'm just going to press confirm here and press confirm. It says once sewn, outfits cannot be modified. So I'm just going to press confirm here. And voila, super cute. I'm just going to wear it now. Let's, go to the dress up area. And you'll find it here. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, the hat doesn't match, so let's take that off and use this instead. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!